Hey, John Mayfield with Global Real Estate School. I'm so excited about my brand new program I have, and it is specific and available in all 50 states. That's right. Let me show you everything that's included with this product. Well, as I've mentioned, all 50 states are available for specific state exam information. And yes, even Wyoming, one of my competitors, they don't even have a Wyoming course, but we do, and you can actually get some great information from all 50 states. That's right. So you can choose your state up above, or you can come down below, find the course that you want. If you're in Connecticut, Delaware, California, we have all of the courses available. So let's take a look at exactly what you get. With every state, I have specific crash courses where you can get involved with the material in a short, quick, easy crash course. So all of the states are specific state laws and rules to help you understand and learn the content. So you can take these right from your mobile phone and you can prepare at any time. And here's what's great. Every course and every set of flashcards you can take right from your mobile phone. In fact, this whole program that I've developed for all 50 states is designed for you to be able to take and use and learn right from your mobile phone or your tablet. They look great on any kind of a device, but they will help you prepare and pass the real estate exam in your specific state. We have lots of practice questions, flashcards, podcasts, and so much more. I'm adding to all of the states each and every day. So there are 50 specific, state-specific courses to help you pass your real estate exam. In fact, that's why it's called Help Me Pass the Real Estate Exam. Check us out today. You can go to Global Real Estate School, our flagship websites, or you can go to Help Me Pass the Real Estate Exam and prepare for your state or national exam with me, John Mayfield.